Well, it's that time of year again. Farm operations are winding down and we're winterizing the farm. One of the things we do is we try to keep the mice out of places where they do really bad damage. Now we've got cats, so the cats take care of some of them in the big open areas. And I don't want poison all over the place because sure, it'll kill the mice. And we raise pigs and chickens, and if a pig or chicken sees a dead mouse, they're going to eat it, which means I'm going to eat it. So not interested in that. What I try to do is I try to keep them out of certain areas. Those areas are my hot tub underneath, the cab of my tractor, some of my vehicles, try to keep them out from under the hood so that they don't get up in there and eat all the wiring. And this is how I do it. Okay, so this is what I use. I use Bright Air Max. It's an odor eliminator. And I picked up this trick because I've got an RV and a lot of RVers use this. So they take this and they take Irish Spring. And it's not very difficult. Now I bought the big version because that's what was available, because so many people do this apparently that it's been selling out. The smaller ones. You can buy the small. I just got this stuff on Amazon. You can buy this stuff anywhere. And it's a little bit more complicated doing it this way. Normally you would just take this white part off, but this white part won't come off on this particular design. It's glued on. So you just take your Irish Spring, you squirt it on it, and then you push it in. And you get it down in all the little holes. Of course, it's cold, so it's not going in as good as I would like it to. Squish it down in there. Then you take a toothpick or a scribe or anything you got and just go through and stir it up. This only takes a couple of minutes. There you go. That's it. It's not that complicated. I'm going to take this particular one and I'm going to put it in the cab of my tractor. Okay. And then I've got another one that goes in my van under the seat, and then I'm going to put another one under the hood of my van. And the goal is to keep the mice out. Okay. If they get up in there and start chewing up wires and stuff, it's a nightmare. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.